Today is going to be on this freezer repair today. My dad's refrigerator was leaking water. The reason for that was there's rain. Pretty much on all freezers there's a drain at the bottom of these coils, and there's a defroster in here. This stuff will ice up on these coils, and the defroster will kick in, it will heat up, and will start to leak water down to the bottom, and this will drain down to the bottom of the refrigerator, and over time the water will evaporate. But what happens sometimes, like in this case, is this hole, the drain hole, actually froze. So water was just leaking down here. As you can see, it was leaking down and was leaking onto the floor. So what I had to do is, on the side there are the brackets here for the shelves that you got to remove. Take these off, and then behind that, you normally wouldn't see all these coils. Take another plate that's behind all that. That goes here. This goes behind the light bulb. I just took that off. There's screws that go along the plate cover, coil cover, and you just remove that out. Set that aside, and you could go ahead and get to this. Now this is going to be the tricky part. It might not be too hard, but just trying to get down and get all this frozen water defrosted so that it could leak through again. And that's going to be the problem. As you can see, how with the refrigerator door open, the condensation actually starts forming ice crystals, and this is what's actually going to be melted later on when this defroster kicks in. It's a heat strip. And another time we had to change out the fan motor here, so we just went to another place, ordered it, and the same thing. You just take everything off, unplug it. There's a power cord there, power connections, and you just put the fan in, and it was get the freezer cold again. But why that happened? They just turn off from time to time. They'll just go bad. You'll notice it because one side of your refrigerator will start to get hot, and you'll notice that everything's melting, everything's getting warm inside. So that'll be a reason. It won't be that your coils or your refrigeration is no good anymore. It'll just be because of your fan. So your fan needs to be changed out. And once you change out that fan, put everything back, then you'll see that it's starting to get cold again. So I'll explain that more in another video. If you have any questions, I'll be willing to answer them.